So 580 level is being approached. The S2 support is at 75. So I have put my limit order on 576. So let's see if it can hit. Yep, looks like I got filled. And I'm going to keep my target at 5 points. Okay, looks like it got executed. So this is the first trade of the day, and I was just able to capture 5 points, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today, because it's going to be really volatile. So why did I take this trade, right? The reason why I took this trade is today over here, the first candle was really bullish, but I was waiting for a nice retracement over here. All right, so over here, so you can see on my trading panel, right? I just entered like this over here. So I bought it at 576 and I went out at 81.25, so almost 5.25 points, 11 seconds, right? Only with one contract. So that was pretty, calm, cool, and very fast trade. So very happy with that. So but since this was a first trade of the day, I didn't want to hit for a home run. So I just want to know where the day is going and what's the situation in the markets right now, because we have a huge high volume node coming at 600. So let me show you over here. So this is the 60-minute volume area, right? So over here you can see that there is a huge here you won't be able to see. Let me show you over here in the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so over here near 600 area you can see that there's a huge volume. 612. Let me share my trading terminal so that if you can see in live time if I trade or take any position. But I'm just waiting for the 600 or 580 level to hit. So that would be my ideal buying point. If it doesn't give that opportunity, then completely fine. But today is the day to be extremely strategic and extremely patient. So I'll also reduce my position size to 5 micro contracts. But yeah, I would definitely love to see a healthy retracement. Around 600 I can start the position, so I can put a limit order of 602 over here, which I already did over here. So you can see, so I'm waiting for the 602 level to hit, and in the meanwhile let us check the liquidity. Okay, so I'm already in the position, and right now, and you can see we are right now fighting the 600 zone. So let's see how well it holds. But I would be closing the position at 612. So 12 points, not bad at all. Yep. So just got filled. So very, very happy with how the trades play out. So I took the position around 602, and let me show you the reason, right? So first you can see the exact entry. So let me show you that. So this was the exact entry. I went long at 602 over here, and I closed my position at 612. So almost 10 points, 10.25 points, which is not bad, right? And let me show you why did I do this, right? So you go over here, right? And as I said, like I had drawn the 15-minute high, 15-minute low, and the mid of the candle. So from the very start of the stream, I told that if we are not able to survive at this zone, then we will definitely have a nice pullback. So I saw the pullback coming, and I was patient enough, and I saw the pullback. Then I was waiting for this 602 level, which is the median line of the first 15-minute range, to get tested. So I set my limit order over here, and for 10 points, I set my target at 612. So 602 to 612, 10 points, fair and square, no stress, it was a perfect trade. So this is, what I wanted to see. So now, since I'm out of the trade, now we'll search for other trades. But so far, 2 trades, one with the full Nasdaq contract and other with micro contracts. On the first trade, I was able to capture, 100 points. That is 5 points, which is $100. And the second trade, I was able to capture 10 points, but that is also $100 because it was micro contracts. But since I did micro contracts, I was very my mental balance was very good, because it was a 5 contract trade. So I mean micro contracts. So I had a lot of opportunity to average out if something goes south. So that's where I'm coming from. That candle is about to close in 40 seconds, and it is again approaching the 15-minute high over here. If it closes above that, then that would be extremely bullish. And then at that point I would love to go long. So let's see. I'm just waiting for right confirmation. So looking at 5-minute chart over here, the delta is holding up fairly well. All right, so now we have a good point of reference. So what I'm going to do is, I want to go long, but I'm searching for the right opportunity. So let's see if we can get a long position. I just set my limit order at 21,662, and you know what, let me go with micro contracts. So let me start my position at 668 and let's see what happens. So around actually 662 would be really good if the prices can come over there, but it looks like it's going up in the straight line. All right, looks like approaching 700. So let's do one thing, get that to around 86 or 82. So I put my limit order at 680. Let's see if it can touch that. I just hope to get a good price over here to go long, but right now I'm not finding a good price. But the structure is very good. So it has eliminated all the selling and now it wants to go up. So the structure, market structure, the price action looks very good. So let's see. Price action is looking good, but I'm not getting the right price at which I should enter. So kind of searching for that right moment to go long. Okay, looks like breached 700. So keeping the limit order at 700, let's see, or 696. So let it get filled. If it gets filled, then it would be good. Okay, so just got filled, and I would love to increase the size over here and take 20 points. So let's see. Okay, so second contract. So now I'm in with 2 contracts, and what I'm targeting is 20 points. So let's see if we can get that. $200 is also a good amount, but what I'm targeting is 702. That is $400. So let's see if we can get a 702. That would be really good. Okay, got it. So yeah, it was a pretty good trade. As I say again and again, I was getting a really good market structure. So you can see over here in the log, I went long with the first contract at 696, and then I went long at 688. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So my average price was 694, right, for the first contract. And I sold both the contracts at 702. So almost, 10 points. So 694, 702 and 694. So almost 6 plus 2, 8 points. But that was with 2 contracts. So the total profit was around 400. So that's what, I was doing. So you can see it in logs, and pretty satisfied by this trade. The reason why I'm saying this is because you can see over here that over here I was looking at the market structure, and the market structure was looking really bullish. So why it was looking bullish? Because we fell down right in the pre-market, we went up like crazy, and then we got a healthy digestion, and then the last confirmation was this green candle, which eliminated the entire selling. So I was looking like, where can we go long? So I was looking at the VWAP, I was looking at 15-minute range, I was looking at this S1 support. So that is what I was looking at, and we just went long, and we were able to capture a good amount with size, that is with 2 contracts. So this is what I was talking about. But yeah, this is the third trade of the day, and really satisfied and really balanced right now. Right now there's no need of hurry, or there's no need of doing any home runs or anything like that. 3 quick simple trades. Like if you can see over here, the average time of each position is not even minutes. So you can see over here, let me go. Yeah, so 11 seconds, 28 seconds, and 46 seconds. So it's not even a minute, right? So this is why you need to wait for hours to complete your trade within seconds, because when you're right, markets go in your favor very quickly. So these are like kind of A+ setup that I am looking for to do every day. And as you can see over here, the tally of each account total profit is $590, which I replicated across 5 accounts. So ideally I should be done for the day, to be really honest, right? My discipline, my rules tells me that I should be done for the day